Farm animals.
Cow. The cow gives us milk. Chicken. Chickens lay eggs. Pig. Pigs like to roll in the mud. Sheep. Sheep have fluffy wool. Horse. We ride horses for fun. Duck. Ducks swim in the pond. Goat. Goats eat grass and leaves. Dog. Dogs help guard the farm. Cat. Cats catch mice on the farm. Rooster. The rooster crows in the morning.
Donkey. The donkey brays loudly in the barn. Rabbit. The soft rabbit nibbles on carrots. Turkey. The turkey struts around the farmyard. Geese. The geese honk as they fly overhead. Calf. The cute calf stays close to its mother. Lamb. The playful lamb jumps in the meadow. Chick. The tiny chick peeps from the nest. Foal. The young foal runs alongside its mother. Puppy. The energetic puppy plays in the yard.
Thanks for watching this video. And subscribe our channel for more videos.